Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the wiring diagram of a rscr single door refrigerator. See, here is a red wire, red, black and green. This is comes from the power cord. See, here is a power cord of a single door refrigerator. You can see here. See, and to this we have a red wire, okay, a black wire as well as a green wire. Okay, this is a single phase. Now a red wire from being connected to the thermostat. Here you can see one red wire is coming from inside the refrigerator, body of the refrigerator, where it is being connected to the thermostat, which is located in the front side. Now this red wire, let us connect it to the power cord of the wire. Now let us connect this red wire to the power cord as shown in the wiring diagram. Okay, here we fix the power cord red wire. Okay, now the power cord of the red wire is being connected to the thermostat in the diagram. Now let us see here. So this is the red wire of the power cord which is being connected to the thermostat. Now let us see the front side of the refrigerator. See here, this red wire which is coming from the power cord is connected to the thermostat. See here, you can see a power cord wire which is coming from back side of the refrigerator. This is towards the front side. See, you can see here a red wire is coming and it is being connected to the thermostat. Okay, now here once again one red wire of the power cord is being connected to thermostat. From thermostat one wire being connected to the door switch. See, again from thermostat one red wire, that is, this is one red wire is being connected to the door switch. This white one is a door switch. Okay, again from the wiring diagram, from thermostat to switch, from switch to being connected to the bulb. Here once again we see that red wire which is being connected from thermostat to the door switch. From door switch again one wire is coming back, that is, you can see a color of yellow with a red line which is being connected to the bulb, that is going inside the refrigerator. Here you can see, and here comes that wire. This is being connected to the bulb as shown in the wiring diagram. That is, here you can see again once again, see that after from switch it is being connected to the bulb. Is it clear? Okay, now let us see now black wire which is coming from the power cord. This black wire one is being connected to the at this point one wire goes to the bulb, okay, and a black wire one is other side goes to the capacitor. This capacitor is being connected to the relay. See, here is the black wire which is coming from the power cord, okay, and another wire which has been, you can see here on black and green wire. In the same manner you have this black and green wire, this black wire has been, this black and green you can see here, okay, this black and green wire let us connect to the power cord. Already we have connected red wire. Now let us connect this black and green wire to the power cord. Okay, now you fix it to the, okay, now we have connected it to the power cord. Now according to our wiring diagram, this black wire one is being diverted towards the bulb, another one is diverted to the capacitor. This capacitor is being connected to the relay which is connected to the compressor terminal. Now here you see that this is the capacitor, okay, this capacitor is being connected to the black wire which is coming from this black wire here is being connected to the relay, okay, power cord of the black wire is being connected to the relay. Along with that one, we have connected one more white wire. Now we connect the capacitor as shown in the wiring diagram. Okay, here we will connect the capacitor as shown. So one side of the capacitor is being connected to the S side through a relay. In between, on the wiring between the capacitor and you can see there, and another wire of the capacitor is connecting to the another pin of the relay. That is, according to the wiring diagram, given wiring diagram, the capacitor is being connected to the S and R of the compressor terminal, that is through relay. See here we can see that one black wire which is being connected to the capacitor from capacitor it is being connected to relay to S. Okay, connected to S, and this is here in the to the relay you can see that now this is a thermostat. Okay, now this thermostat, from thermostat one gray wire is being connected to the OLP. In the wiring diagram you can see that one gray wire is being connected to the thermostat. See, gray wire, thermostat to OLP. So now it has moved to the back side. See here from thermostat to OLP. That is the gray wire which is coming from the thermostat is being connected to the OLP. Okay. Now as I told you that one wire which is coming from the relay of the terminal, that is a white wire which is been pinned with the black wire. This white wire is being connected to the bulb. From here it is being connected to the bulb. See, here is the white wire which is going from here relay to the inside the body of the refrigerator. Okay, now let us move to the front side where the bulb is fixed. Now this wire is being connected to the bulb according to our wiring diagram, isn't it? Now we have given connection for red, a black, a brown, red, whatever is there. Okay, now after completion of net we have given the black, one white wire to the bulb from here, and another black wire is being connected to the capacitor. These are all the 3 points, 1, 2 and 3 points. Okay, now here you can see that start and a run winding is being connected to a relay and which is in turn is connected to the capacitor. Okay, this is the points. Now the remaining is green wire which is coming from the power cord which is connected to the body of the refrigerator, body or frame. Okay, now see here one wire which is coming from the power cord, let us connect it to the body of the refrigerator. Okay, I take a screw, let us fix it with a screw or a board, whatever is there, let us fix it to the body. This is the wire which is coming from the power cord, that is red wire we have completed wiring, black we have completed, and the green wire one is connected to the frame or body of the refrigerator, and it has been divided from there which is being connected to the compressor. See, now we have completed the body connection to the body. Now another side goes to the compressor. So one of the green wire which is coming from the power cord, it has gone to the body, and we have divided that wire through. Here you can see we have made a sleeve arrangement for these wires, so that from a green wire it comes and connects to the compressor. So this is the wiring diagram of a rscr of a single door wire. Thank you for watching.